Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another a new video. Friends, today I have a many colorful of toys here. See, there is a many colorful of toys. These toys I'll introduce with you, and next I will hand drive all of toys in my hand. So friends, at first I will introduce all of toys with you. So let's go. At first, wow. At first is a V2 racing supercar. See, there is a V2 racing super plastic car. See, there is cheapest plastic car. And this color is green color, white color, black color also combination. At next, wow, at next is a elephant car. See, there is a small elephant car. There is a different color combination. There is a black color, paste color, and purple color also. And next is a army tanker. See, there is a small army tanker. Wow, there is a two soldier. There is a two soldier. This color is green, black, red, and purple color also. See, their lower portion is fully black color combination, and this upper portion is red and green color also. And next is wow, and next is a tanker. See, there is a super beko. Wow, there is a two driver. See, the upper side is fully orange color and lower portion is fully black color combination. And this wheel, see, this wheel is black and silver color also. And next, wow, next is a bird. See, there is a colorful bird. Wow, there is a nice colorful bird. See, there is a pink color, paste color, and white color combination also. See, their eyes is fully black and white color combination. And next is a runner car. See, there is a runner car, big size runner car. There is a orange color, white color, black color also. See, their lower portion is fully black color combination and this wheel is fully black. And next and last one is a police helicopter. See, there is a nice color combination police helicopter. See, there is a blue color, white color, and silver color also. See, their wheel is fully black and white color combination. Friends, I introduce all of my toys with you, and next I will hand drive all of my toys with my hand. So, wasting any more time, let's go. There is a V2 racing car. Let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. This and next is the elephant car. Let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here besides V2 racing car. Next is the army tanker. Wow. So I parked her army tanker besides elephant car. Next one is a big beko. So let's go. Wow. I reached my parking place. Wow, I reached my parking place. Wow, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. And next one and last one is a police helicopter. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place. See, there is a parked all of my toys. So, friends, I introduce with you my all of toys and hand driving all of toys also. Friends, wasting any more time, I will end my video. Tata, bye bye.